Hey there guys, welcome back. Our next task is arc length of a circle. The problem statement is to write a program to find the arc length of a circle. The input radius and center angle must be the float variables. The output should be printed as a floating point value with 2-point precision. No other extra information should be printed except the arc length value to the standard output. And we have to assume that the value of pi is 3.14. The first input line contains radius and the next line contains angle, and the output should be the length of the arc formed by the given angle. So the case is like this. This is our circle and its radius is 25 and this angle is 50. So the length of this arc is, we have to calculate the length of this arc. So we have the formula for calculating length of the arc with some angle theta. The formula is 2 pi r into theta upon 360. So there's nothing logical here, just one formula and you got the answer. So let's write the code. I have a class arc length and I'll define a static variable pi, static float pi equal to 3.14 f. F because this is float value. And I have the method find arc which returns float. This float is the length of the arc. And in here I have two parameters, radius and angle. And remember, both of them should be float. Okay. So I'll create a variable arc length for storing the length of the arc. So float arc length equal to 2 into pi into radius into angle divided by 360. And we'll return arc length. Now let's write the driver code. I will take the input from scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. First I'll take the radius as input and it should be float. So float radius equal to sc dot next float. Then I'll take the angle, float angle equal to sc dot next float. And I'll call the method find arc and pass radius and angle in its parameter. And this will return us float value, so I'll store it in a variable. So float arc equal to find arc. And in the question there was written that the output should be printed as a floating point value with 2-point precision. So here I'll use the format method of class string to get the 2-point precision. So string.format, and in the string I'll write %point2f, arc. So this format method will return us the value with 2-point precision. Okay, and we'll print it. So system.out.println, and I'll import scanner class, import java.util.scanner. Now running this file, javac arclength.java. Okay, file is compiled successfully. Now running this file, java arclength. So first we have to input the radius. So I'll enter 25 and then the angle, I'll enter 50 here. See, we are getting 21.81. So this is the length of the arc. So we are getting the desired output. You can check for more test cases. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll see more problems in the further videos. Thank you.